This tutorial will guide you how to delete projects in Cricut Design Space. Now, depending on how you pronounce it, but I normally pronounce it Cricut, but Google says it should be pronounced the Cricut. Now, once you open this software for the Cricut or Cricut Design Space, make sure to select here My Stuff. On the My Stuff, you should see projects. Now, let's say you want to delete this untitled project. As you see it here on the list of my projects, so select My Stuff, Projects, and then you'll see the list of projects here. Now click the project that you want to delete. Now you can see there is not a delete button. What you need to do, just select edit project details. So right here on the pencil, edit project details. Now on the edit project details here, you can either set a name if you want to and then save, or you can scroll down and then select delete. So I'm going to delete. It will ask me delete project. Are you sure you want to delete this project? This action cannot be undone. So just select delete. Now you can see no projects yet. You can see right now all the projects have been deleted and no projects you can see right now here on the list. So that's how you can delete project in the Cricut Design Space. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and see you next time.